Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the Boeing 777 cockpit view. So let's go. As you know, there are two seats. The left one is for the captain and the right side is for the first officer or the co-pilot we call it. And there are two more seats for the observer. There are two observers on the back side of the captain and the co-pilot. Now I will show you the main displays on the Boeing 777 cockpit. This is the control wheel on the captain side and this is the control wheel on the first officer side. This is called the central pedestal. These all the panels are called the central pedestal panel. This is the thrust lever we call. These two panels are combinedly called the PFD, primary flight display. This is on the captain side and the same on the first officer side. These are same, one for the captain and one for the first officer. And these two displays on the lower and upper side we call the EICAS, which is engine indicating crew alerting system. And these two are called, this one and this one are called the MFD, multifunction display and control unit. This one is called the clear shield. We'll call the overall is clear shield, and this is the P1 panel. This is the P1 panel or autopilot panel. And you are looking the overhead panel. These all CBs, and this is the switches, different kind of switches. This all panel is called the overhead panel, in which you are looking electrical panel. This is called the bleed panel, hydraulic panel, air conditioning. These are panels. And now I will show you the maintenance access terminal, the MAT. This is the maintenance access terminal, in which different kind of maintenance checks and tests carried out. This is called the tiller, with which we can move the nose wheel well or the nose gear during towing or taxiing, especially taxiing. So this is the overall view of the Boeing 777 cockpit. For more videos, like my YouTube channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you for watching.